everyone, I am Zan. Welcome to my channel My Fun Hut. Today's topic is Know Your Globe. So let's learn something new today. What is a globe? A globe is a sphere or a ball that bears a map of the earth on its surface and is mounted on an axle that permits rotation. Who invented globe? The ancient Greeks, who knew the earth to be a sphere, were the first to use globes to represent the surface of the earth. The earliest terrestrial globe was made in Nuremberg in 1492 by Martin Behem. Important lines on globe. The northernmost point on earth is called the North Pole and the southernmost point on earth is called the South Pole. Axis is the imaginary line around which Earth rotates. It passes through the center of the Earth, joining both poles. Equator is an imaginary line which divides Earth into two equal halves called hemispheres. Globes are usually mounted with the axis tilted 23.5 from the vertical to help simulate the inclination of the Earth relative to the plane in which it orbits the Sun. 0 degrees longitude is called prime meridian, also called Greenwich meridian because it passes through a village, Greenwich, near London. The northern hemisphere is the part of the earth from the equator to the North Pole, and the southern hemisphere is the part of the earth between the equator and the South Pole. Dividing the earth along the prime meridian, we get two equal parts, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Meridians, also known as lines of longitude, run from one pole to another. We can use these lines to find the location of any place on the planet. Latitudes are a set of imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator. Longitude, the distance measured in degrees from any given point to the Greenwich meridian. Equator is marked as 0 degrees latitude. Line of latitude at 23.5 degrees north is called Tropic of Cancer, and line of latitude at 23.5 degrees south is called Tropic of Capricorn. Line of latitude at 66.5 degrees north is called Arctic Circle, and line of latitude at 66.5 degrees south is called Antarctic Circle. North Pole is at 90 degrees north and South Pole is at 90 degrees south. These lines have a great significance on climate and vegetative distribution on Earth. Differences between globe and map. Globe is a three-dimensional representation of Earth. A map is a two-dimensional representation of Earth. A globe covers areas in broader form. A map is more detailed than globes. A globe is not very easy to carry around. A map can be folded and carried easily. A globe provides details such as capital of the country or any important place. A map includes minute details about the street, road of a particular area. The globe shows exact shape and position of continents, countries, oceans and seas. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, share and click the notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. You too explore the globe. Bye.